A 3-ingredient watermelon dessert. So we're going to be making a 3-ingredient watermelon dessert. It's a very easy one. We're going to be using heavy whipping cream, 2 boxes of watermelon jello, 3 ounces on this, and then some hot water. So to start this off, we're going to take the hot water, it's 2 cups, pour it in a mixing bowl. We're going to add both boxes of Jello mix. And don't use the directions when you're doing this, because you only use half the water or what the directions call for. We're not going by no box instructions now. Oh, that smells good too. Now that we have both boxes in there, we're just going to whisk that together. Really good, get it all dissolved. Now that we have all that whisked up, we're going to put it over to the side and we're going to let it sit there for about 10 minutes and cool down some before we move on to the next step. Okay, we have let our Jello mixture over here cool down for a little while, and I will go ahead and mention the Cool Whip is just for a good presentation on top. It's not a ingredient you have to use, that's just what I decided to do. But right here we have measured out 2 cups of heavy cream, and we're going to add it into the mixing bowl. And we're also gonna add in the Jello mixture that we've been letting cool down. And we're gonna whisk it for about a minute to 2 minutes. Okay, now that that has mixed up really good, we're going to transfer it into a greased glass dish, lightly greased. Just pour it in there. Give that last little bit. And we're gonna put this in the fridge and chill it for 2 hours. Now that this has chilled for a couple hours, you can see it set up very nicely. This is a dessert right here. This is a 3-ingredient watermelon dessert. Very simple and easy. But I'm gonna go ahead and add some Cool Whip on top. That's not a have to. And I'm gonna do a little bit of coloring on it and present it as the watermelon dessert that it is.